Alright, here we go. Here's some of the stats for this. I'm going to put this up on the side of the screen here. Boom, music playback time with noise canceling on, 30 hours. Boom, music playback time with noise canceling off, maximum 38 hours. Boom, 10-minute charge to play up to 5 hours. Boom, and I'm not going to say it in the other languages because I don't understand them. Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Glacier Tech, and today we have the Sony WH-1000XM4s. That is still a mouthful. And these are the Midnight Blue Edition. I think you can only get these at Best Buy in that specific color there. Industry-leading noise canceling. These things are pretty cool. Go around the packaging just a little bit to get you in there. You can kind of pause that and take a look at it, but it's got touch controls on the side. It's got a case and the headphones. Works with Android and iPhone. There's a little Android guy that's sticking out his head a little there. Alright, and well, these should be pretty similar to the extra bass ones, but these are supposed to be a little more high-end. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and we'll take a look at it. Alright, here we go. Let's start unboxing this. Alright, and what happened? No, they already got a tear in them. Alright, well, we don't need those anymore. We'll just go from this little hole in the side. Go ahead and pop these open. Get all of this plastic off. Alright, I'm kind of stupid. They just come out of the side like this. Alright, there's the box. Nothing else in there. Yeet these out of the way. Alright, here is the easy setup. 1, download the app. 2, power on the headphones. Swick. Oh, it's a flap. It's not a piece of paper. Alright, here we are, the headphones. Ooh, I like this color. You know what? This would probably go well with the new iPhone. Get these headphones, get the new iPhone. Oh, and it's just got a little strap that doesn't come out. It's like a little carrying strap there. And there's are all of the papers. We don't need those. Those are ooey stinky papers. Alright, let us get into these. Ooh, wow. Look at this. The strap is nice and golden. The golden Sony strap zipper. Here they are. The Sony X something B no NW175. Alright, here are the Sony headphones. This is really pretty color. I'm not sure how well this comes through on the camera, but oh my goodness. Whoa, look at these. Oh, what is that on this inside? There's like a thing right there on the inside. I don't know what that is. That's pretty interesting, but it's only on the left ear cup that it's got that thing in there. Okay, cool. These are super soft plastic on here, and it's gold with the blue. Man, I'm really liking this color. This thing, even that is the same color as everything there. All right, put these on the side. And then the rest of this right here, we've got a headphone jack cable. Won't be really needing those. Oh, look at that. They have an airplane adapter. So I've been told. I've never used one of these before, but you have that in there. Then the cardboard cutout if you do not realize how to put your headphones in here. And there's that. All right, you don't need that anymore. And then it looks like in here, oh, is the charging cable. They are USB Type-C. That's the cable right there. And then, what is this flap situation? I guess that's for putting your cables in there and the headphones go around. So that's a pretty cool, solid carrying case. Again, look at that. It's got the golden button there in the carrying case. Thing's solid. Alright, let's get into the headphone review, and I'll try these bad boys on and get into everything. But before that, I know what you guys are asking. Will this fit on my cat? Let's find out. Hey, there you are. You want to put these on? You want to put the headphones on? They're noise canceling. You won't hear anything.
Where are you going? Where are you going? No! The cat is...
He ran away. Let's try the other one. I know you want to put these on, right? You should want to put these on? Can you please put them on, please? I don't think he's very happy about this situation. Let's go back to the review. Thank you for helping me. Thank you. These headphones do not fit on my cats, unfortunately. So that's like 1 out of 5 stars on that end. So I'd give those a bad rating for that. They're not very good for cats. Okay, Wow, just listen to these headphones, and they sound swick. All right, these things are pretty cool sounding. Man, look at that angle. I can make a thumbnail out of that. That's probably gonna be the thumbnail right there. Anyways, these things sound really swick. If you see my review for the XB, the extra bass version of these, they're very similar in the way they sound. I think these are a little more slightly crisper. You know, there's not as much focus on the bass as well. Let's see, the left side and the right side. Right here on the right side, it has the touch controls and everything on here, and you can swipe up for up and swipe down for volume down, volume up, volume down, go back a track, go forward a track, double tap to pause and play, and accept and end phone calls, I believe, as well. The custom button set to default to change ambient noise on and off, so basically you can hear everything around you, and then you can just hear what's in the headphones. It's kind of like a hearing aid. Even though I've never put on a hearing aid, I imagine that's what it sounds like. Anyways, power button. It came with power, really long battery life, I think about 30 hours, same as the other ones. Press and hold the power button, it turns it on. Press and hold, it turns it off. And the sound signature on these things is really open. It's got these open slots, sure, for like ventilation, a bit of noise. I don't think there was too much noise leakage in here, but the sound is really open and clear. I really like the sound signature of these headphones. It's got USB Type-C for charging right there. Also has a headphone jack. In case the batteries die, you would just want to use headphones with a headphone jack. I think if you want to spend the money, they're pretty good. To be honest, they're pretty good. As good, if not better, than the Bose QC35s, or they've come out with the newer ones yet. I haven't actually reviewed those. I should review those headphones next, the Bose ones. But these are pretty good, good sound signature. The app is also really good. Same app as the other headphones, the extra bass ones, but these headphones themselves are pretty good. They're not pretty good. They're amazing. Probably one of the best headphones you can get right now for the price. Now you can get better sounding ones for like, you know, obviously $1,000, you know, $1,500, but you're not really going to notice that much of a difference with everyday use. So I think these are really good headphones. Would I recommend purchasing these? Yeah, if you got the cash, of course. These headphones also have the feature where if you're wearing them, they play sound. You set them down, they stop the music, automatically stops it, which is a really cool feature for these headphones. I mean, put them on, they play, take them off, they stop playing, which is also really awesome with things. So if you want to pick these things up, link down in the description for this. They'll be available on Amazon. It's an affiliate link, so it's for the Amazon affiliate store. We'll get a part of the purchase if you buy from there, but there's no extra charge, so you can support a small channel like this. Please click the button right here to watch another video on my channel. Please click the button over here to subscribe to my channel. We'll be coming out with more videos soon. Just click the button, click this button, click both of the buttons if you want. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this is Glacier Tech. Let me know down in the comments below what you want to see next. Thank you.